Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, heads-up display, HD radio, towing package, heated rear seat, rain-sensing wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.